In today's video, I'll show you how I made this fufu using African sweet potato. If you're interested, keep watching. I have here with me African sweet potato. On my previous video, which I'm going to be linking at the top of this video, I used Irish potato to make fufu. So some people in the comment section were asking me if the African sweet potato is going to come out nice as well. So I am here to try the African sweet potato to see how it's going to be. As you can see, I'm peeling it off. Once I'm done peeling it off, I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes and then wash it neatly and blend it. Fufu is the first dish you will eat in an African home. When you visit an African family, they must serve you fufu, like we love to swallow a lot. Fufu is an African traditional dish. It is made from yam, cassava, plantain, cocoyam, and so on. Even these days, we use cabbage, cauliflower, potato, like you can see, to make fufu. Fufu is one of our important dish in Africa. Like you cannot visit an African home without eating fufu. Once I'm done, I'm going to wash it neatly and then put it in my blender, blend it smoothly. Do you know that potato fufu is good for weight loss as it has low calorie? It can also control your sugar level. And potato fufu is good for babies. Babies that are learning how to enjoy African dishes. You can start by giving them potato fufu, which is very healthy for their development. So guys, as you can see, I'm adding them now in the pot once I'm done blending it. And then I'll set my stove in a low heat. I continue to stir it around because I don't want it to get burnt. At this point, I was hoping that this fufu will start to form, but I'm not seeing any sign of it forming at all. So I decided to add psyllium on it. Psyllium here is just to help it to become thicker. I added just 2 spoons because the more you add, the more harder it becomes. Then I'm going to mix it up nicely. As you can see at this point, it started forming a little bit. I continue to mix it until I get the texture I wanted. Next, I'm just going to place it in a plastic foil, wrap it around, and then your fufu is ready to be served. If you're still watching this video till this point, thank you so much for your time watching my videos. Thank you for the like, for the comment, for the share. I really appreciate you guys. Next, I'm just going to wrap it as you can see. Allow it to cool down for about 5 minutes and then that is it. Your fufu is ready to be served. Next, I'm going to try this fufu to see if it's something I would try again. So I have my favorite soup which I'm going to be testing it with. I'll just add it on the side on the plate and then it is time for me to try it. Look how beautiful it is. Omo. So guys, let me check it out and tell you how it is. So I cut it and then dip it in the soup. When I tasted it, it was tasting sweet potato, sweet potato. See you all on my next one. Bye.